Okay, let's talk about factors contributing to accident. What are those factors? Okay, human error is one of them. Poor skills and manner, lack of caution, traffic violation, having difficulty in maneuvering, in negotiating, you know. So you lack the practical exercise. You have to do more practical exercise. Enroll yourself to some training programs in terms of driving because you have to improve your skills. Your skills as a driver. Okay. Then your manner also, lack of caution. You have to be cautious all the time, more focus, and you always comply with traffic violation. Another factor is the poor environment. And this is in terms of road conditions, safety facilities, weather conditions. Okay. So that's why I said earlier, speed on condition. If you are having a good condition like weather, road conditions, safety facilities, etc., or safety facilities is what you call engineering controls in the pillars, no, the E pillars of traffic. Then you can comply to the speed limit of, let's say, 100 kilometers per hour or 120 kilometers per hour. But if the weather condition is bad, then you have to decrease your speed. You decrease it by, maybe 80 kilometers per hour, maybe 50 kilometers per hour. The more the shorten the visibility, the more you have to slow down your speed. Okay, so you have to speed on conditions. Then the third one is hardware deficiency. This is in terms of your vehicle. Okay, in terms of the operability of your vehicle, poor maintenance. You don't have a poor preventive maintenance program in your company. If you own your vehicle, you're not sending your vehicle to some repair maintenance shop for maintaining it regularly, preventive maintenance, changing the oil, changing the filters, adjusting the brakes, or changing the brake disc, changing the brake shoes, or maybe the engine is misfiring. You have to change the spark plugs, things like that. You have to send it to shop for tune up, engine tune up, or brake conditioning, and etc. So you have to look at. That's why you have to do before doing some trips. You have to do a pre-trip inspection. So it's much better if you have a checklist or pre-trip inspection checklist so that you have a basis on your inspection, so you don't miss anything. Okay, so 90% of road accidents is due to human error. That's what they said. Okay, even if you have a defective vehicle, you have to, that's still an error, driver error. You have to send it for maintenance. You don't want to drive a defective vehicle, right? And if the rain is really too much, the monsoon rain, and it's really impossible for you to go out, then you don't go out. And that would be a human error also. If you're still going out, still driving despite the really bad weather condition. So you have to think about that. So still human error. So that's why they said 90% of road accidents due to human error. Okay. And also you don't know anything in terms of rules of the road. You always violate the traffic, and then, sooner or later you're gonna, that would be an accident to happen, no? Waiting to happen, accident waiting to happen.